How do bean plants grow? Seed stage. The life cycle begins with a bean seed. Inside the seed coat, there's a tiny plant embryo waiting to grow. When the seed is planted in the soil, it absorbs water. Adequate warmth and oxygen trigger germination. The seed coat splits open, and the radical, tiny root emerges. Germination. The seed sprouts. It sends out a little root called a radical that serves as its anchor. The shoot grows up in the sunlight. It's like the plant saying, "Hello world. Now we have a baby bean plant." It has leaves and stems. The roots keep growing down, looking for water and nutrients. Maturation. After 6 to 8 weeks of germination, the bean plant reaches full maturity. Beautiful flowers bloom, signaling that the plant is ready to reproduce. Insects, such as bees and butterflies, visit these flowers. They transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling fertilization. Fertilization. When pollen lands on the female part of the flower, it triggers the formation of a pollen tube that grows into the ovary. Once fertilization occurs, the ovule develops into a seed, complete with a food source and a protective seed coat. This successful fertilization ensures the next generation of bean plants.